So the short answer is no, I didn't just spend £8,000 on the original BMW OLEDs. I bought these, I want to try them out. I've seen them all over YouTube and I wanted to try them myself. They look really good, so in the videos. So let's see what they look like in reality. Less on this side. Out the box, they're not as flush as I'd want them. There is a little bit of a lip there. So I'll put some washers on it and they are very flush, way better than what they were OEM, to be honest. Follows all the lines properly. As it should be. And same on the other side, they are flush. literally look OEM. Like, the quality of them is amazing as well. It's been on for about a week, maybe 2 now.